Hi viewers, today we are going to see about zoology GK, mammals, particularly mammals. Mammals are the diverged group of animals. Mammals are found almost in all habitats, oceans, freshwater, hilly regions, forests, deserts, polar regions and swamps. The sea-living dolphins, whales, etc. look like fish by form and structure. A nocturnal bird gliding in the sky looks like a bird. Mammals are distinguished from other vertebrates by two fundamental characteristics: epidermal hairs and milk producing glands. Whales and dolphins have sensitive bristles on their snouts. Mammalian hair is a derivative form from the skin. Mammalian hair is an insulator against heat loss. Hairs, long, sharp, and stiff, called quills, are defensive for porcupine and hedgehogs. The coloration and pattern of mammal's skin usually matches its background. Hairs are sensory structure for dog, cat, cattle, man, horse, and donkey. All female mammals possess mammary glands that secrete milk. Milk producing glands are modified sweat glands. The place of living of an organism is its habitat. Whiskers of cats and dogs are sensitive to touch. In high mountains, mountain goats, big horned sheep, grizzly bears, etc. are seen. Plains and forests contain porcupine, giant elephants, tiger, leopard, rhinoceros, hippopotamus, etc. Tundra has reindeer, musk deer, ox, rodents. In deserts, blackbuck, Indian wild ass are seen. Freshwater has beavers, platypus, and otters. Marine animals, mammals, whales, dolphins, dugong, porpoise, seal, walrus, etc. In the marine worlds, dolphins, the limbs are modified into flippers. The flippers are used as oars to swim in water. The marine world's dolphins also possess huge subcutaneous fat deposit. The jaws of the whales are modified into baleen plates. The baleen plates sieve the water and trap the minute planktonic organisms as their food called krill. The skin of mammals is doubly thick and contains water storing osmotic cells to conserve water as they live in deserts. In camels, the thick, bunchy eyebrows protect the eyes from sandy wind. Camel's nasal hole can be closed during desert storms to prevent the entry of sand particles. Most mammals are herbivores, eating mostly plants. To digest the cellulose-rich food, mammals have developed a mutual partnership with bacteria for cellulose splitting enzymes. Mammals such as cows, buffaloes, antelopes, goats, deer, etc. have huge four-chambered stomach that function as storage and fermentation chamber. The stomach of cattle also helps them to ruminate or cud. Mammals have heterodentition with different types of teeth. Carnivorous animals have tearing teeth, the canine. In elephant, The incisors are modified into tusks as a specialized weapon. Birds are the only mammals capable of powered flight. The forelimbs of bats are modified into wing-like structure. The bat's wing is leathery membrane of skin and the muscle is stretched over the bones of the four fingers. Bats prepare to hang upside down from their leg while resting. The nocturnal birds can fly without crashing into things and still capture insects by echolocation. The marsupials, kangaroo, have developed abdominal pouches to bear the tender young ones. The polar bears have thick skin coats and woolly fur to bear the biting cold of the polar regions. The supreme mammal, man, is highly adapted as an intellectual social animal. The fingers and toes are adapted for handling. Mammals are warm-blooded or homeotherms. The body temperature in man is maintained at 98.4 degree Fahrenheit to 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. The temperature regulation is done by the sweat glands of skin, kidneys, lungs and blood. In summer, we sweat more as a cooling up mechanism to conduct the heat out. During summer, the kidneys expel less urine since much of water is lost in the sweat. In winter, we produce little sweat as a warming up mechanism to conserve heat. During winter, the kidneys excrete out more urine. If you want this kind of video, subscribe our channel. Thank you.